Hello everyone, and welcome to Quick Dev. I'm excited to kick off our HTML tutorial series for beginners. In this series, we'll be diving into the fundamental building blocks of web development, HTML. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is HTML? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of every web page, providing the structure and content that you see in your browser. Think of HTML as the language that browsers understand to display web content. It uses a system of tags and attributes to define different elements on a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Let's start by looking at a basic HTML document structure. Every HTML document begins with an HTML tag, followed by the head and body sections. The head typically contains metadata, while the body holds the visible content of your web page. To create HTML files, all you need is a simple text editor. I recommend using editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or any other that you're comfortable with. After writing your HTML code, you can open it in a web browser to see how it looks. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and others will interpret your HTML and display the content accordingly. Now, if you're new to web development, this might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. In this series, we'll break down HTML into manageable chunks, covering everything from basic tags to more advanced concepts. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to Quick Dev for more web development tutorials. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's embark on this coding journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.